Imagine finding a mystical apple that grants one wish, only to see everything torn apart by greed. In a small village surrounded by hills, there was a simple farmer named Liam. One day, while working on his farm, he found a tree with a single golden apple. The apple's shine was captivating, and Liam knew it was special. Curious, he took the apple to the village's wise man. The wise man looked at the apple and said, "This apple can grant one wish, but choose carefully, for its power is great." Liam thought hard. Many people in the village were having a hard time, and he wanted to help them all. He wished for money that everyone could share. With a flash, his wish came true. Gold coins fell from the sky, bringing joy and relief to many. But soon, problems arose. People began fighting over the gold. Friendships ended, and greed took over the village. Liam watched sadly as his well-meaning wish caused trouble. He went back to the wise man, who gently reminded him, "Real wealth is not in gold, but in the bonds we share and the kindness we show." Committed to fixing things, Liam gathered the villagers and explained what had happened. He suggested they use the remaining gold to improve the village together. They built schools, repaired homes, and made a community garden. Peace was restored, and the village flourished. Moral of the story: real wealth is found in community and generosity, not in money. Subscribe for daily doses of wisdom.